Hello viewers, welcome back to Amazon Bedrock Learning Series. Today in this chapter we'll be talking about why and when and how to fine-tune an LLM model. Whether you are a seasoned data scientist or just fascinated by the power of LLM models, understanding how to tailor these models to your specific needs can unlock a whole new potential. So a lot of questions I get these days is why do we need to fine-tune these models? Well, there are several compelling reasons. The first one is specificity. Pre-trained models are often broad and generalized. They are trained on vast data sets to understand a wide range of inputs. However, when it comes to specialized tasks, these models might not perform optimally. Fine-tuning allows us to adapt these models to a specific needs based on your requirement and then improve their accuracy and effectiveness. Then comes the efficiency. The training a model from scratch requires a massive data sets like the pile data and all those data sets available on Hugging Face. It takes time and it takes a lot of compute power and in turn expensive. By fine-tuning, we leverage the existing knowledge within the model and significantly reduce resources and the time needed to achieve a good and a high performance. And third comes adaptability. The world is constantly changing, so is the data. Fine-tuning allows the model to adapt to new trends, languages, patterns, ensuring they remain relevant and effective. So doesn't mean that you have to fine-tune all the models. So there are like 2 steps that you do to ensure that you get the right response before moving to a fine-tune method. So I would say start with prompt engineering. Engineer your prompt in such a way that you get the best response from the LLM model. The second thing is to try the in-context learning. Provide how you want the response, giving them samples of the response so that show that, hey, this is what I want to the response that you want. If still not working, you can add a RAG methodology where you are providing the knowledge base, all the information, documents, instructions, everything in a document format and put it in a vector DB, and then you're asking questions from the RAG methodology. The fourth option is parameter efficient fine-tuning, which means focus on certain weights instead of the weights of the whole LLM model. So it's giving more context, more information, examples, so that you can make those parameter efficient tuning success. If still you're not getting the response that you want, that's when you should look for fine-tuning. That is going to be expensive. Keep in mind that you're changing the whole weight of the model. So be careful when you opt for fine-tuning and come up with a good data set. And that requires a good data foundation. So let's move on to the Amazon Bedrock fine-tuning options. So in Bedrock, Amazon at present supports 3 providers to fine-tune their LLM models and around 8 models that they can fine-tune. The first provider is Amazon. It has its Titan models. Then comes the Cohere. It has the Command model series. And then comes the Meta, where all the Lambda models, which is 13B and 70B, can be fine-tuned within Amazon Bedrock. So these models can be fine-tuned in few clicks. All you have to do is arrange the data set in a JSON-L format and according to the model's formatting requirements, place it in S3, and in few configurations, you should be able to fine-tune these models. And if you need other models to be fine-tuned, you will have to go through the SageMaker route to tune these models. But right now, these providers are supported and 8 models are supported, and this list will keep growing in the future. So in the next session, I will show how to fine-tune an Amazon Titan model. See you in the next video. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for latest information. Thank you. Signing up, John.